says, my lord, recapitulating the law, there are three kinds of witnesses in this section law. One is, my lord, a completely reliable witness. Two, a completely unworthy, unreliable witness. Three, my lord, is that part of it may be reliable, part of it may be unreliable. In the light of this chart which I have shown, I respectfully submit that this witness, my lord, of the prosecution story cannot come in the first category. In our respectful submission, it should come in the second. Even if arguendo, my lord, it comes in the third. Court says, in the absence of corroboration, the third one can't be taken to the first. I'll come to that in a minute. Purpose of showing this chart.
No, which witness? PW12?
Not all the prosecution.
Oh, all PW.
Six.
So, arguendo, all public prosecutor.
People who have narrated the incident are three. One, the prosecutor herself, is according to
And the father.
Father and the mother. So these three who are narrated, there is nobody else, you know. And in fact, at the core, as per Lordship put to me, the core allegation, she is the only witness. So therefore, my lord, when your lordships are appreciating 15, but all this history behind it.
In offences of this kind, there never is a third witness.
So therefore,
there are only two witnesses, perpetrator, victim. That's it.
So therefore, when your lordships are evaluating the weight of the testimony of the prosecutors, it will necessarily have to be read in the light of what has transpired from May to August, and whether or not the depositions statements are consistent, or whether it is doubted, or a false story is not according to the false story. The lordships now have page 42 of my note.
Yes.
Because I have shown your page 46. This is the father's testimony. I read it in detail. Now, my lords, kindly see how the trial court deals with this. An ex specie error, my lord, I will show that paragraph 456 of the trial court judgment is in paragraph. That the accused victim tries to kind of time by saying the victim is possessed by ghost. So that nothing of that sort happened. And she said she has spoken with Babu, but then she has spoken where, how, nothing to. Directly to. Here the chain connects in this manner. Now kindly mark with love for my satisfaction.
So just for the purpose of, I'm happy reading it in English, but this is...
trial court judgment.
No, right. So this trial court judgment, this is translation is by you or by official translator of the High Court? No. I'm just wanting to... This is your translation. No, because there's, as they say, many a slip between cup and the lip. We do not know what is actually said. Because this could be ingenuity of the translator also.
Trial court record. So, running page 430 of the trial court. Yes. Step 17. 433 of the PDF and running from Mexican page number is 1725.
What is the internal page number?
1725.
Internal.
430.
On the top, 430.
What the debates were, here are David Mana in intimate Kidisa is this running Kidisa was escape परिवार कराया उन्हें कहा कि बापू के साथ हो गए इधर उन्हीं के साथ लेकर जाओ मतलब ऑल द टाइम आगे इस प्रकार जुड़ती है इम्पोर्टेंट परिवार जब अभियुक्त आसाराम के पास पहुंचा और अभियुक्त आसाराम के पास पहुंचने पर पीड़िता ने बताया कि वह छिंदवाड़ा गुरुकुल से आई है, तो अभियुक्त आसाराम ने कहा कि अच्छा भूतो वाली, so the chain is connected by this singular statement, and I have shown now that singular statement has been taken out of context without not seeing the father's deposition, where he said, "I narrated the problem." Kindly see further. यदि अभियुक्त
No, but where do you say that from? You mean this is divorce the record? I mean, this is against the record.
just see page
So
46.
this statement of the presiding, I mean, not statement, this narrative of the presiding officer
Yeah.
is divorce the record.
Page 46. I just read page 46 of my note.
So that is your note.
Yes, that's the deposition.
How-
No, that's the deposition which I have extracted. Please have a look at that now again. I just,
Hmm.
just for
Huh.
kindly see page 46, my lord.
Hmm.
The bottom, father TW 21, and straight away don't forget that 161, that's the deposition.
Huh.
मेरी बेटी पे कहाँ से आई हुई, तो उस समय मैं भी खड़ा हो गया।
I got you.
पहले मेरी बेटी खड़ी हुई, तो मैंने खड़े होकर मेरी बेटी की
So
प्रॉब्लम
it doesn't really reflect whether this statement precedes the father's or the daughter's, because he says daughter stood up first.
Yes, but then kindly see this now. मैंने
No, I mean this doesn't reflect. I'm saying it may be your argument. See, father agrees, at least agrees in the sense, even you are also relying on his statement to that extent. He says that my daughter stood up first. So she proceeded to say whatever she said. We don't know.
He didn't
She didn't say anything. It's only the
father said.
appellant who reacted.
Now the point is not, is this clinching enough to say that the conspiracy and the chain is ultimately wrong? Even if this is right and what is falling from your lordship will not be take it further. At the most two views are possible, that she stood up and he said it, or it was said, my lord, after the father disclosed the problem. So it can't be, my lords, the chain. Is that, my lord, it is linked.
Yeah, read it again. यहाँ कड़ी इस प्रकार जुड़ती है. Fourth line which you were reading, 456. Fourth line.
Yeah. And also your lordship will see that.
No, because this is the opinion of the judge, so therefore.
Since your lordship is reading 46, kindly also look at the cross, also it's feeling similar way. There is nothing which takes away from that. Nothing has been considered as far as not this father's statement is there is 456. जैसे अभियुक्त का पिता
नहीं यहाँ कड़ी. Fourth line यहाँ कड़ी इस प्रकार.
यहाँ कड़ी इस प्रकार जुड़ती है कि पीड़ित परिवार जब अभियुक्त आसाराम के पास पहुंचा और अभियुक्त आसाराम के पास पहुंचने पर पीड़िता ने बताया वह छिंदवाड़ा गुरुकुल से आई, तो अभियुक्त आसाराम ने कहा कि अच्छा भूत वाली लड़की, यदि अभियुक्त का संचिता एवं अभियुक्त आसाराम के बीच मस्तिष्कों का सम्मेलन मीटिंग ऑफ माइंड्स नहीं होता कि अभियुक्त पीड़िता को उसके पास भूत प्रेत का डर दिखाकर भेज रही है, तो वह छिंदवाड़ा गुरुकुल का नाम लेते पीड़िता को भूतों वाली लड़की से संबोधित कैसे कर? पीड़िता के साथ दिनांक 15 अगस्त को जब्त करवाने के बहाने घटना कारित की गई। उसके एक दिवस पूर्व ही पीड़िता को बुलाकर इस बाबत उतलाने की साक्ष्य है कि पढ़ लिख कर क्या करोगी, समर्पित हो जाओ, तुम्हारी जिंदगी बना दी, बड़े बड़े अफसर मेरे चरणों में पड़े रहते। परिवार के अभियुक्त आसाराम से मिलने के वक्त भूतों के संबंध बात होने के साक्ष्य मात्र PW21, PW12, PW5 की नहीं है। आसाराम व कर्मवीर के परिवार के मध्य पहुंचे ही बात हुई। इसके PW6 रंजीत के बयान से, बयान से पूरे परिवार में शिक्षा ले रखी है एवं जो फार्म हाउस के मालिक है जिसमें सिर्फ कुटिया में यह घटना हुई, उक्त गवाह ने मुख्य परीक्षण ही कथन किया कि यूपी से जो लोग आए थे उनके उनमें एक आदमी, एक औरत और एक बच्ची थी। इनके लिए बापू ने कहा था कि इनकी व्यवस्था करो, तब इन्हें मकान के ऊपर कमरे में रुकवाना था। अर्थात एक गवाह सर्वोजित नेता वो उसकी पुत्री के बारे में बात करता है। इस गवाह ने आगे तक किया कि जो झूठी इससे आए थे इनमें से जो आदमी
इंडिपेंडेंट रिपोर्ट करा ये कह रहा है कि व्यक्ति ने कहा कि डॉक्टर को नॉलेज कुछ नहीं आनी
यही कह रहे हैं। अब वो एक दिन करा के अभी अभियान का अंदर देखना पड़ेगा अभियान में तुमसे मता इन एडवांस में का
कहा था कि भूत प्रेत मेरा गला दबा रहा। औरत आई उसने बापू जी को कहा था कि मुझे 3-4 साल से औरत दिखती है। अर्थात यह स्पष्ट है कि अभियुक्त व परिवार के बीच
इसके मतलब यही है कि
इसका गवाह PW6 और PW22 रामकिशोर जी धर्मवीर सिंह द्वारा बापू के अपने परिवार की समस्या बताना चाहते हैं। Amongst two things, as you told about PW6 and PW22, this actually completely negates the prosecution story. So it is not only the Lord Father who says that I spoke about the problem, but PW6 and PW22 also say that the father and the mother both spoke about their problem. So how is there a meeting of minds and the chain is complete because both of them say that they have a big problem. Now can you see further? अर्थात यह गवाह जो बयान देने के दिन अभियुक्त आकाराम का स्वागत है, स्वीकार करता है कि कर्मवीर सिंह और अभियुक्त आकाराम के मध्य समस्याओं के संबंध में बातचीत हुई थी। अगर यह तथ्य सिद्ध होता है कि अभियुक्त आकाराम को परिवादी व उसके परिवार के तक पहुंचने से पूर्व ही यह ज्ञात था। पूर्व ही I don't understand. Where is the prior meeting of minds when the father says, that there is a bhut-pret problem? Mother says there is a bhut-pret problem. And this is reiterated by two independent prosecution witnesses. Now, that prosecution independent, what the trial court relies upon. Just have a look at this one. I just extracted it. The trial court has not reproduced them, but just have a look at it. With this, my lord, I respectfully submit that the conspiracy that the chair has not been linked, that is completely, my lord, neither here nor there. Now, kindly see 46 case. जब यह लोग, this is the owner of the farm, जब यह लोग आए थे, तब मैं भी सत्संग में था, यह लोग भी सत्संग में बैठे थे, यूपी से आए थे, इससे जो आदमी था, उसने बापूजी को कहा कि भूत प्रेत मेरा गला दबाना। This is something else, my lord. The father is saying that he has some problem. बापूजी ने उसमें कहा कि अहमदाबाद जाकर अनुष्ठान करो। यूपी से जो औरत आई थी उसने बापूजी को कहा कि मुझे 3-4 साल से औरतें दिख रही। इस बच्ची जो बच्ची आई थी उसमें मुझे कोई बात हुई तो मुझे पता नहीं, फिर कहा कि उसकी कोई बात नहीं थी। Then kindly see Lord onto the son. सत्संग के बाद कर्मवीर बापू ने अपने पारिवारिक my lord, just following here for a minute. In my respect to submit purely my argument. So, it is a case of reverse engineering by the prosecutor. It's a classic case of reverse engineering. It's my argument and my submission. That the father and the mother tell that they have this problem of ghosts. And he gives the solution. He tells the father that you go and do Anushthan in Ahmedabad. It is very important, my lord. I'll come to that in a minute. He says, you go to Ahmedabad and do Anushthan. Nothing happens as far as the girl is concerned. No solution, nothing, because the bhut story never happened as far as the girl is concerned. So, on the 14th, my lord, the solution to the father's bhut problem is already addressed. And he says, you go to Ahmedabad. And there is not even, we have scanned the entire evidence, 4,000-5,000 pages. There is not even one statement on the 14th that you please wait for the 15th. I want to further exorcise the goods. Nothing else. They stayed on their own on the 15th. So in 14th, my lord, the father and the mother laid their both related problem. And my lord, I will come to that. He sprinkles some holy water and tells them, you go to Ahmedabad. That ends the story. And why the reverse engineering, my lord, I submit, my lord, standing, my lord, scrutinize this. Because, my lord, there is no attempt on my side to say that you can stay back on the 15th, I will do further ritual. So what is done, my lord, they voluntarily stay on the 15th. And when the FIR is filed, reverse engineering is done from this stage to link it, my lord, to 2nd of August. Oh, Shilpi had suggested that you are into good shape, fine. Because that incident has never happened on the 14th. So reverse engineering for Millards building up the stage of building up a cave of 120 feet to building up a cave of 370 subclass 4 to building up a cave of 376 feet. You reverse engineering. So that these are my submissions. If you want to have the loan. Thus, upon perusal of deposition of PwC, clearly goes to the appellant on hearing the most problems of the father in the matter had suggested certain remedies. It appears that the prosecution leading with a reverse engineering built up a case, and even the third was possessed by ghosts. And it is on this pretext of exorcising the ghost of the prosecution, and she was going into coming because theory of the prosecution breaks down with the following. As independent and as pointed out, there is no independent corroboration of prosecution statement that she was PW 22. It is evidence of clear statement that the father of the prosecution had married his family to daughter. As we pointed out, we have suggestion solutions were given the evidence from 14 section. There was no further suggestion insist from the family staying back on 15 August. That certain remedies were suggested to the appellant to not for a very completely constitutionally evidence of PW. So therefore, my lords, I have traversed from May, and this ends on my lords 14th of August 2014. Now, my lords, in that same satsang, what happens? I just want to elaborate a little bit detail, for which my lord kindly have a look at. This is my lord elaborating. I have finished my lord. They reached Jodhpur, then my lord Bhutwari Laddu. What is the suggestion? What is the remedy which I gave? When they said we have a good faith problem. That my lord I want to.
You said go to Ahmedabad.
One is go to Ahmedabad. Second, my lords, I sprinkled holy water. That's very important. Kindly have a look at my lord. A chart, my lord, which is at page 49. 49.
Yes.
और this is the handwritten complaint और प्रसाद देकर आराम करने के लिए भेज दिए हम उन्हीं के द्वारा दिए गए then my lord is the one बाप ने बापू ने पापा को कहा इस कुटिया में 11 दिन का अनुष्ठान करना तो ये सारे बन गए और मुझसे कहा कि तुम अहमदाबाद में जाकर अनुष्ठान करना। मैंने कहा कि मेरी पढ़ाई का क्या हो, तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम अहमदाबाद जाओ, तुमको वहां से किसी के साथ हॉस्टल दिया दो। वही पापा को बस जाने को बोला। मैंने कहा कि मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि पढ़ लिख कर क्या करो, सारे पढ़े लिखे तो मेरे कर्मों से दिखते हैं, क्या कि मैं वक्ता बनाऊंगा, सत्संग करने वाला कि तुम यही रुक जाओ मेरे पास। फिर उन्होंने पापा को बोला इनको अहमदाबाद जरूर भेज। फिर हम हमारी वाली जगह पर भेजे। On the 161 kindly see the highlight of video that also क्या बनना चाहती है। मेरे कहा ये तो उन्होंने कहा ये समझ क्या करें सारे अक्सर हमारे चरणों में तुम बीएड कर ले इच्छी का बन जाना। पापा से कहा कि तुम जल्दी रुक जाओ और ज्यादा अनुष्ठान करें। हर भेजने के लिए कहा और मुझे कहा कि तुम अहमदाबाद आश्रम चले जाओ, वहाँ अनुष्ठान करो। मैंने कहा कि मेरी पढ़ाई का क्या होगा? तब उन्होंने कहा कि अहमदाबाद से किसी के साथ छिंदवाड़ा भेज चुका। बापू ने ये भी बात बताया कि क्या होगे तो क्या हमें भी दे दें। उनके साथ दो लोग और रहते थे, इसमें 15-16 साल का लड़का उनके रसोई की और के बाद बापू ने बहुत बड़ा प्रसाद भेजा। हम जो मकान पर कमरे में जहाँ रुके थे वहाँ
So,
overall father would have to stay, mother would have to stay, and nothing, my lord. You are 161 state prisoner, 161 to stay tomorrow. Because I have to exhaust or now, my lord, kindly see the chief. The highlighted portion only I will give you.
oh, well, general prudence, what did you expect? That he said, go to Ahmedabad, you should have immediately retreated and gone to Ahmedabad.
Next day, morning.
Next day is 15.
The case is this, that I invited them, I lured them to Jodhpur for the purpose of committing sexual assault. I say on the 14th, you go to Ahmedabad. I ask myself, my lord, whether that conspiracy, luring, fails, falls to the ground on this count, prosecution story alone. Because I am saying go to Ahmedabad. Not, I could have said you stay back tonight. I have to do some more ritual. That's not their case. So kindly see further. फिर उन्होंने मेरे पापा को कहा कि तुम 11 दिन तक यहीं पर रुक कर अनुष्ठान करो। इम्पोर्टेंट है। फादर वॉज आस्क्ड टू स्टे देयर और मेरे को कहा कि तुम्हें अहमदाबाद भेज दे। And it comes in evidence that next day, my lord, they were asked to go to Ahmedabad. They said, no, we don't want to go to Ahmedabad. Now, but if they are under, they are so devout follower, they should have obeyed all this. So the question which I posed, my lord, that this whole story being created from me, that I saw her, I liked her, and that's why my lord asked her to come all the way using Shruti and Sharat and Shiva and Prakash for the purpose of committing sexual assault. And on the 14th that I will go to Ahmedabad. The story completely breaks down. तो मैंने कहा कि अभी तो मेरी पढ़ाई चल रही है, मेरे पढ़ाई का क्या होगा? तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं तुम अहमदाबाद जाओ।
You repeating now.
Emphasizing this is
You read this all?
after the highlighting. But why I am highlighting this is that I asked myself, because I told the girl.
Oh yes, this you not read. Oh, carry on.
तो मैंने कहा कि अभी तो मेरी पढ़ाई चल रही है, मेरी पढ़ाई का क्या होगा? तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं तुम अहमदाबाद जाओ और वहां जाकर अनुष्ठान, और यह कहा कि वहीं से तुम्हें किसी के साथ छिंदवाड़ा पहुंचा दूंगी। Now, my lords, pausing here for a minute. Appellant is telling her that I am sending you to Ahmedabad. She is reluctant. She is not interested in doing this japa, jnana business, anushtan business. Is it because I was telling her, please follow a spiritual path, forget the school for the 10 days, that she got earth from the... I don't know. But this is enough indication, my lord, that there was some kind of a tussle going on in the mind of the prosecutor. This person is asking me against my school routine to go and do some jabab business, which I am not agreeing to. Will the father agree with this and send me to Ahmedabad? What happens? On the 15th, because this incident is booked up because of that, I don't know. I'm just not inspired possible. Now, my lord, kindly see the 161 of the mother, the highlighted book. फिर हमें अनुष्ठान के लिए प्रसाद देकर भेज दिया। Nothing, my lord, stay back. I have to do something tonight. Similarly, my lord, evidence is there. फिर बापू की नई पत्नी से बात की और किया कर 11 दिन अनुष्ठान कर, फिर उन्होंने हमें प्रसाद दिया और वापस भेज दिया। Then my lord, identical as far as the father is concerned.
You skip the in between.
Yes, my lord, 161 my lord has been. But you can see the evidence. It's the same thing, you know. मेरे को कहा कि तुम यहाँ पर 11 दिन का अनुष्ठान करो और बेटी को अहमदाबाद भेज दो. Now, my lord, just to finish the loop here, the prosecutor is not cross-examining. It is in the that, you know, यह सही है कि मेरी मुझसे परीक्षा में कि यह बात 14 तारीख को बापू ने मेरे को कहा कि तुम्हें अहमदाबाद भेज देंगे. यह बात मेरे पुलिस बयानों में मैजिस्ट्रेट साहब के सामने हुए बयानों में एनजीओ पूछताछ और पुलिस रिपोर्ट में नहीं है, बल्कि यह लिखा है कि मुझे कहा कि तुम अहमदाबाद चलेगा. Doctors will see that there is a complete improvement from Juarunga. That is to show that some kind of a ownership, and I said, but anyway, it doesn't matter for my 376. But there's a clear improvement, the clever improvement. Juarunga. And you know, earlier she had always said that tum chale jana. Juarunga. Certain sense of your ownership. Yeah, I will take care of you to Ahmedabad. But it's not that case now that it happened in Ahmedabad. So it really doesn't matter. But it is important to show that a major improvement even on this little farm. Apart from the major contradiction for the then we not one of the farm, this field of
Yes, I will try to assist. Lordships also have, lordships are experienced, my lord. Lordships will have to look at it from the point of correct, my lord, correct. I'll answer that, my lord. That's a very important question. Your lordships will have to consider this from the point of view of a prudent, my lord's man whose intent, criminally intent, to sexually exploit a woman. Right, my lord? Because your lordships will have to ascertain what was his mindset. Now the prosecution says his mindset from Milord's May 2013 is to somehow bring the girl on the pretext of exorcising her ghosts, and they managed to reach Jodhpur. The prosecution story as it emerges on the 14th goes to show that he didn't show any interest. He said, okay, you have a problem, I sprinkle holy water and I asked you to do some japa in Ahmedabad to the prosecutrix for the father in Jodhpur. So as of 14th, my lord, I respectfully submit that the case which has been set up false. 15th, whether the incident happens, my lord, that I will come to. But as of today, my lord, that the sexual assault is premeditated on the 14th, for the 15th fails. My lord, that will be relevant. Yes, my lord, from the correct, my lord. And my lord, kindly, I'll test this argument, my lord. I asked the person to go to Ahmedabad. Correct, my lord. I asked her to go to Ahmedabad. It is not the prosecution story that I was going to Ahmedabad. It's not their story. I asked her to go to Ahmedabad. I am not going. No, I'm not from there. Lord, I am from where? Which place? Lord, I have ashrams all over the country, my lord. Native of Gujarat. Sindh. Huh? All right. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Correct, my lord. So, my lords, what I'm saying is, it is not the prosecution story, because I have to only answer the prosecution story. It is not the prosecution story that he was traveling to Ahmedabad and he asked her to go. It's not their story. Right, my lord? He says, you go to Ahmedabad, and he sprinkles holy water on the, my lord's girl. So as far as 14th is concerned, my lord, I have not displayed any intent as per the prosecution story to commit an assault on the 15th. That's my limited point, my lord. Yes, my lord. So therefore, yes, my lord. So correct, my lord. Correct. Now, my lords, if on the 14th I have not displayed any intent of committing a premeditated sexual assault, this entire theory, my lords, goes. And I have shown, my lord, how there are major improvements on the 14th, my lord, as far as this incident is concerned. Then, my lords, my submissions are paragraph 2. On 14th August 2013 itself, the appellant had already suggested the remedy for the problem of the family, and nothing further remained to be done. This being the case of prosecution, there is no explanation as to why the family of the prosecutor would want to stay in Manai farmhouse for 15th, looking for more solution, when the solution was provided to the prosecutors on the 14th. But one of the points, it's purely an argument. Because, my lord, I had already given the solution, they could not actually, my lord, say that I was sexually, my lord, interested in her and I tried to assault her on 14th. So this incident had to be cooked up on the 15th. Because 14th, I have already met them, told them in front of 20 people, this is the solution. So how do they level, my lord, sexual allegations against me? That is only if they stay back on the 15th and, my lord, some kind of a suspicion is tried to be created. I met them alone, which also I will show on the 15th. Yes, my lord. Now, my lords, kindly see, my lords, how the trial court deals with this. Yes, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, how the trial court deals with this. Yes, my lord. Whereas how the trial court deals with this, my lord. But this I respectfully submit. On this aspect, the trial court has dealt on paragraph, which is paragraph 276. Now, kindly see this, my lord. This is, In English, I have reproduced, my lord. If there is anything, I'll go back to Hindi, my lord. In paragraph 6 of my note, my lord. Yes, my lord. If there is anything, I'll read it in Hindi, my lord. My lord, this paragraph, my lord, clearly goes to show the trial court has gone beyond the evidence. Kindly see this, my lord. This has also been the argument of the accused person that Karmavir had stated in his examination in chief on 14th August, Asaram said him to do 11 days ritual here, send daughter to Ahmedabad and send wife to the house. Despite that, Karmavir deliberately stayed there so that he could impose the allegation. In my humble opinion, there is no abstract in the said plea. The suggestion given to Karmavir Singh and his wife was so impracticable. But it's, I'll read the Hindi, my lord. I'll read the Hindi, my lord. I'll read the Hindi, my lord. Yeah, sorry, my lord. I'll read the Hindi. I'll read the Hindi. Yeah, I'm sorry, my lord. Can I read the Hindi, my lord? Just page 1603308. From there. विद्वान अधिवक्ता अभियुक्तगण का विद्वान internal page is 308 में. Yes, yes, ma'am. विद्वान अधिवक्तागण अभियुक्तगण का यह भी तर्क रहा है कि PW21 के मुख्य परीक्षण में यह कथन किया गया है कि उसे दिनांक 14 अगस्त को आसाराम के ने कहा कि तुम यहाँ 11 दिन अनुष्ठान करो, बेटी के अहमदाबाद भेज दो और पत्नी को घर भेज दो. फिर भी कर्मवीर जानबूझकर वहां रुका है कि आरोप लगा सके. मेरे विनम्र मत में उक्त तर्क में कोई सार नहीं है. जो सुझाव कर्मवीर सिंह उसकी पत्नी और बेटी को दिया गया वह इतना अव्यवहारिक है कि उसका तत्काल मानना सामान्य व्यक्ति के लिए संभव नहीं हो. What with respect, Malad? Have they said, has the prosecution witness said that it was avyavaharik? Has anybody said that it was impractical, so we decided to stay back? Not even a whisper, my lord. The court, my lord, in my respectful submission, has, no, my lord, it's avyavaharik, but how can it? No, I'm just saying that it is not borne out from evidence. Correct, my lord? But I am saying, my lord, I have no doubt, he's entitled to, my lords. But I am saying this finding is not based on evidence. Yes. No, I'm not saying that, my lord. I'm only saying that opinion which has been formed is not basis any evidence. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, my lord. It's purely based on surmises and conjectures. And then, my lord, further, my lord, this is elaborated. एक ट्रांसपोर्ट व्यवसायी के लिए लास्ट 3 लाइन्स, my lord. अपने काम धंधे से दूर 11 दिवस तक रुकना वैसे भी व्यवहारिक नहीं. I'm with respect, my lord. Correct, my lord. Correct, my lord. Correct. But let us also take the no difficulty, my lord. He's entitled to, my lord, take this opinion, which is according to us wrong. But kindly see the other side of the story, my lord. According to them, my lord, they were so devoted that, my lord, one word of his, my lord, they will follow to the hilt. And that is why, my lord, not trusting the doctor, not trusting, and that's their story, my lord. They came directly to him. He says, my lord, that go to Ahmedabad. Now, my lords, kindly see there are 2 versions. And here they say that no, it's impracticable. So either they are solely devoted to him, or, my lords, they are not devoted to him. Both can't stand together, is all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Now, my lords, kindly see further. We don't know, my lords. We don't know. Lords, from my perspective, my lord, very well, my lord. From my perspective, I am only showing on 14th, I told them to, my lords, go to Ahmedabad. That's all I'm saying, my lord. So that entire theory that I wanted to do something with the girl falls on the 14th. That's all, my lord. That's right. That's all. That's all I'm saying, my lord. If 15th happened, I will come to that. Correct, my lord. Correct. So there is no suggestion also that you stay back. But normally, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Now, my lords. Yes. Similarly, my lords, paragraph 458 also, the trial court has dealt with an opinion, which according to me, my lord, is not borne out. Now we come to the event of the 15th. Given that, sir? 49 is that. Yes. Your lordships. My lords, the event of the 15th, my lord, it is at 49E. What happens? Final stage, my lord, final stage. In the morning. But this is in the morning, my lord, morning. What happens in the morning? And the incident happens in the late night on the 15th. Now, my lords, 15th, paragraph 12. This is in the chief examination. 15 अगस्त 2013 को बापू सुबह उस नीम के पेड़ के नीचे नहीं आए थे जहां पर सत्संग करते थे। फिर बापू शाम को देर से वहां पर आए थे और फिर सत्संग किया। सत्संग नीम के पेड़ के नीचे किया। So no indication, my lord, that there was a pre-fixed program on the morning. Evening satsang happened by chance. That's all I want to say. Because she also says we didn't know. So if she didn't know, there's no question of my telling her, my lord, that I'm going to come at XYZ time for the purpose of committing like that. Well, that's very clear from this. Then, my lords, paragraph 13. It is not that I've already argued. I will, my lord, skip that. Then paragraph 14. It is the case of the defense that the incident alleged by the prosecutrix on the evening of 15th absolutely false, an attempt to frame. It is submitted the allegations made by the prosecutor in so an incident of 15th August 2013 is concerned has to be viewed in the light of a previous statement deposition. A bare perusal of prosecution evidence reveals the entire story starting from the Haridwar meeting till 14th is demonstrably false. In the light of the above, the evidence of the sole prosecutrix, insofar as the alleged incidents on 15th is concerned, has to be viewed with Lord extreme circumspection. Just one. That's okay. Now, my lords, I have shown this. Before my lord, this is the core, as the lordship put, what is the core allegation? Core allegation happens, my lord, as per them, my lord, in the kutia. Only her testimony versus, my lord, my defense, that it never happened. She never came to the kutia. So when your lordships are actually analyzing this part of the evidence, this part of the evidence, my lord, cannot be looked at singularly and given such a sacrosanct value. But this also I will demonstrate. Well, there are several inconsistencies, but I'll take 15th as a whole. This can't be divorced from, my lords, the prosecution story from May to 14th night. And this can be put on a higher pedestal. That's not the law. Because the consistent version of the prosecution from the, my lords, May till 14th will have to be looked at and touched and, my lord, reviewed when your lordships are saying, my lord, 15th. That's the, I want to set the tone for the 15th. I just want to cite the latest judgment which I orally pointed out. How your lordships will view the 15th incident. Just give the judgment is already there. Lord, in that compilation, I'll just read a couple of paragraphs and come to the allegation. Lords, in volume 2, 2024, my lords, 20 SEC, page 293. The first judgment, no? What is the first judgment? Volume 2. No, I'm not saying that. Not my. No, I am saying something else, my lord. No, I'm sorry. No, my lords. No, my lords. No, I'm saying slightly differently, my lord. That conspiracy I've already finished. What I'm saying is, yes, my lord, what I'm saying is this. My lords, forget about this case, my lord. Let's take another case. There is an incident which happens, my lord. No, no, my lord, I'm, yes, my lord, conspiracy may not be required. I have shown that there is no conspiracy, etc. I'm saying completely a different new point, my lord. This, I've not argued this before. Forget about this case, my lord. Incident happens on the 15th of August, same month. And prosecution witness says, 8th, this happened, 9th, this happened, 10th, this happened, 11th, this happened, 12th, this happened, 14th, etc. All later on in trial, it's found to be false. She is lying. Then, my lords, the 15th incident, when your lordships are appreciating, will have to be given the same weight. It will have to be looked at with more circumspection. The graver the charge, the higher the degree of proof. So therefore, my lords, I'm just saying why I'm at pains to, my lords, point out this. When your lordship, because the trial court seems to have been overwhelmed by, my lords, the 15th allegation, without looking at the, my lords, the witnesses, my lord, veracity, weight, my lord, the sanctity to be accorded to this statement. When, my lord, she has been consistently found, the prosecution story has been consistently found to be, my lords, wanting. That is all I wish to say. And that is why, my lord, I just want to point out just a couple of paragraphs. Yes. Then, my lord, this will have to be, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying, my lord, that you discard the 15th statement because she's been lying on 9 to 14. That's all. I'm sorry, my your lordships are more, my lord, for brevities, my lord, more versatile, my lord, than me. But my lordships may have, my lord, this judgment. It just sums up. And I'll start with this, my lord, so that it sets the tone for judicial appreciation of the 15th incident. My lords, paragraph 20. My lord's page, the judgment starts from page 1. Justice Datta Vishwanathan and Justice Sandeep as 3 judges. Then, my lord's, page 6. Law is well settled that generally speaking, oral testimony may be classified into 3 categories: wholly reliable, wholly unreliable, neither wholly reliable nor wholly unreliable. But just pausing here for a minute. According to me, my lord, it falls under 2. At best, arguendo, my lord, assuming the lordships are not with me, seeing May to 14th, it at best, my lord, falls under 3. And how your lordships will treat 3 also, that is explained. The first 2 categories of cases may not pose serious difficulty for the court. However, the third category, the court has to be circumspect and look for corroboration of any material particulars by reliable testimony, direct or succumb, as a rule of prudence. Again, pausing here for a minute. Every time there was a possibility of corroboration, the prosecution has deliberately not corroborated it. Left it open so that, my lord, I can be hanged. Then, my lords, 21. In Ganeshan, this court held that the sole testimony of the victim, if found reliable and trustworthy, requires no corroboration and may be sufficient to convict the accused. This court was tasked to adjudicate a matter involving a gang rape in Sandeep Rai. The court found totally conflicting versions of the prosecutrix. Now kindly see this, my lord. From what was stated in the complaint, what was deposed before the court, resulting in material inconsistencies, reversing the conviction and upholding the prosecutrix, cannot be held to be a sterling witness. Lord, the lordship is very detailed, my lords, that I'm not going to, but this is the law. And in my respectful submission, my lord, none of the prosecutors, especially these 3, and the prosecutors can be called a sterling witness. That's why I was pains for last 3 days, my lord. Yes, my lord, I'll come to that. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord, I'll show that, my lord. Correct, my lord. Correct. Correct, my lord. Yes, my lord, that was unnecessary. Yes, my lord. Yes. Lord's question is whether it is unimpeached. My lord, correct, my lord, correct. So according to us, my lord, is completely wrong. My lord, yes, my lord. What I'm saying is unimpeached. When we use that frame, my lord, is it unimpeached qua the 15th incident only, or is it also unimpeached from? Sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Lord, I'll deal with both. My lord, I'll just answer that, my lord. According to us, it's completely impeached as far as 15th is concerned. I am saying, my lord, at the worst case, it is not impeached, which I will show, my lord, it's completely impeached. Still, my lords, when you evaluate 15th, whether it is impeached or unimpeached, will have to also be looked at from the prior, my lord, conduct. That's all I'm saying. And I'll demonstrate that 15th is impeached. Yes, my lord. And this is the, yes, my lord. Correct, my lord. Correct, my lord. And then your lordships will see. Yes, my lord. Then, my lords, then the case law is there, my lord. Then, my lords, kind. I'm sorry, my lord. But from the point I have suffered a conviction, my lord, so lordships will kindly bear with me. I am here to clear. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. But my only, my lord, endeavor, I'm sorry, my lord, if I have been a little repetitive, but my only endeavor is to, my lords, come with a clean slate, and I'm only laboring. Yes, my lord. To come with a, yes, my lord. Lordship will kindly pardon me, my lord, if I have been repetitive, my lord. Now, my lords, paragraph 24 also, my lord, your lordships will see how the court has, and even, my lord, little contradictions between the complaint and, my lords, the evidence, or contradiction between the 161 and, my lords, the evidence. The court has said it is cannot be done. So, your lordships may have a look at this, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes. Conviction of, yes. There were discrepancies, my lord. Yes, my lord. No, the cross-examination was conducted. The court found, my lord, that what she has said in the evidence differs from. No, my lords. No, that is what I just wanted to read, my lord. What the court says, what she is saying in the evidence is, my lord, different from what she is saying in the 161. It's a contradiction because under 161 you can, my lords, compare the statements and, my lord, say that, my lord, this is not a sterling witness. Similarly, my lord, if in the original complaint and the evidence, in the cross-examination, she will deny everything. That's what also happened in, my lord, this Nirmal's case. But the question is, when it is there before the court will evaluate the evidence and not take only one part of it as second. Lordships will see the lords, in my respectful submission, my lord, if it is a consistent version, number one, if that consistent version, my lord, leads only to one and one inference of the commission of the crime, and, my lord, there are no inconsistencies, there's no falsehood in the statements, my lord, then there will be a sterling witness. I have shown, my lord, right from May 2013, my lord, all the prosecution, when I say all, my lord, these three prosecution witnesses are ex facie lying. May 2013 a lie, 2nd August a lie, 6th August a lie, 9th August a lie. My lord, this phone calls, my lord, ultimately, forget about this case. Suppose, my lord, this prosecutrix, my lord, was to come to the appellant on the 14th, and this incident on the 15th happens. The value which your lordships will give to that statement, because it's an honest, probably, my lord, testimony, will be far, my lords, higher than, my lords, when your lordship this cooked up story to frame me is all riddled with lies, and then she says, no, 15th, this happened, that happened, this happened, that happened. That's all I'm planning to say. If the allegation was straight away to frame me, which was very difficult, my lord. I am a public person. So this had to be cooked in this way, taking back to May. I developed some interest, and then this bhoot pret and all this story. So that, my lord, they somehow managed to come into my, my lord, sphere of influence. Now, my lord, this judgment I don't want to Lordships may mark the paragraphs, my lords, 22, then 29, my lord. Just have a look at 29, because the Lordships asked me, the dark gray clouds of suspicion thus begin to form from the very inception. And then, my lords, (33) also your lordships will see. And ultimately, my lord, the accused is acquitted. Now, with this, my lord, brief background, lordships may come back to my lord's 49E of my note. My learned friends want me to read 41 if you lordship permit. 41. Yes.
Last.
Yes, my lord. Hence, oral testimony of the mother and brother, as well as the victim, is of no use. 41, my lord, just the last 3 lines. So, yeah, my lord, the last 3 lines of that paragraph, my lord, just that the mother, father, and the victim's testimony were discarded. Right? Yes. Which one?
While we do not,
Hence.
while
Huh?
we do not believe.
कहाँ पे?
Page 12, next question.
I'm sorry. Page 12. Yes, I'm sorry. While we do not believe that it is likely that an innocent child would be so cruelly used by her parents, we also cannot deem it. Page 12, my lords, para 41. Yes, ma'am. We do not believe that an innocent child would be so cruelly used by. Well, in this case, she is not a child, which I will come to at the appropriate stage. Again and again, the trial court has gone on this age thing, which I will completely demolish, but I'll do that in the end. We also cannot deem it entirely outside the realm of possibility. So, lords, anything can happen in today's world. The lordships will have to scan through the evidence and see whether it is, my lord, at all a plausible case by the prosecution. Now, my lords, coming to the evening of the 15th. Now, my lords, how this incident unfolds is this. Kindly have a look at the Naksha Mauka, my lord, where this people were sitting, and how, my lords, it is alleged that the appellant asked them to come to the kutia alone. That is their case, my lord. Not this, 591. 591, my lord, of the convenience compilation. CCA. CCA, my lord. No, not this. This I want to. This one, right? No, this one. 590 I want. 590, my lord. I'm sorry. CCA, man. Page 590, karo. Nee, this is judgments.
Convenience comparison.
Convenience. ऐसा है. This. Page 590, Exhibit P13. Exhibit P13 at page P13, my lord, it's a convenience compilation. It's called A, my lord. A. So I had referred to this earlier also. You just show it from the iPad now. I will give the report. Take it out of the Yes, sir.
नहीं
Plastic cover है बोल. Maybe this one. यही होगा. 590 होगा, यही होगा. यही है. This one. No. This one. ये one.
ऊपर और नीचे
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर
कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे दो. 590.
मैं बनाऊं
हाँ मैं
Lordship, since we are on the document, my Lordships may make a note that this map, Naksha Moka, is prepared on the 22nd. It is said that 21st, the prosecutrix reaches Jodhpur. My lord, FIR is registered. Then 22nd, she is taken there. This Naksha Moka, but there is a lot of things which I want to say about this, but I'll come on the investigation part. Now, kindly have a look at, my lord, sir, this map. My lord, there are certain trees which your lordships will see here, my lord, in the bottom. They say that is Neem Ka Vraksh, my lord. This is where the satsangs happened, allegedly, on the 14th and the 15th, under the Neem tree. My lord. Then your lordships will see there is something written as Pagdundi on the left-hand side, my lord. That is a rough path, my lord. And then your lordship see Ashram Kutia. So this is where, my lords, the alleged incident happened. And the allegation is that everybody, 40, 50 people were sitting here under the neem tree. And, my lords, I called these 3 people alone into the kutia from here. And they came, my lord, this is about 200, 300 feet. 100, about 250. About 250 feet, my lord, is this kutia. So 250 feet, I asked them to, they followed me, the prosecution story. Now, at this statement, I will show even this is false. There were 40, 50 people there in the satsang. And, my lords, the prosecutrix and the parents said only we were called in. And, my lord, the independent prosecution witnesses say after the satsang got over, 40, 50 people all started moving towards the kutia. That's the version. That's where, my lord, I just wanted to show this. Just will keep this map aside and now let's see what the, if your lordships, my lord, (49H). About, my lord, how they were called in. अगले दिन 15 अगस्त को भी उन्होंने हमारे लिए खाना भिजवाया और सत्संग प्रवचन किया। उस रात फिर बापू ने हमें कुटिया में बुलवाया। अच्छा, मैं skip the 164, my lord. So handwritten complaint says बुलवाया. Then in the 161, please see the improvement, my lord. रात को पेड़ के नीचे सत्संग किया, सत्संग करके लगभग 10 बजे जाने लगे तो कहा कि जाटो आ जाओ। I'm sorry, my lordship got it. Yes, lord. In the handwritten complaint, आओ जाटो not there. First time it comes in the 161 statement. Then, my lords, further improvement in the, my lords, chief. Kindly see this. 15 अगस्त 2013 को बापू सुबह उस नीम के पेड़ के नीचे नहीं आए थे जहां पर सत्संग करते थे। फिर बापू शाम को देर से वहां पर आए थे और फिर सत्संग किया। सत्संग नीम के पेड़ के नीचे किया था। फिर सत्संग के बाद रात को बापू वहां से जाने लगे तो हमें कहा कि जाटो आ जाओ। उस समय सत्संग में करीबन 30-40 लोग होंगे। सत्संग होने के बाद में बापू बाकी लोगों को आश्रम से बाहर निकाल देते थे। नॉट देयर इन द 161। केवल हम लोग ही वहां रुके थे। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग इन द एविडेंस इज दैट आफ्टर द सत्संग everybody was asked usually to leave and हम लोगों को ही रुकवाया। Whether that is true, my lord, we'll come to in a minute. Then, my lords, mother evidence your lordships will kindly see. तो हमें जाटो कहकर बुलाया और कहा कि आ जाओ। फिर हम बापू के पीछे पीछे चले गए। And then, my lord, similarly, the father, सत्संग के बाद बाकी लोग बाहर जाने लगे, हम भी वहां से जाने लगे, तो बापू ने कहा कि जाटो इधर आ जाओ. आशाराम जी मतलब दैट इज अ
Community.
कास्ट में लौट जा, कास्ट में so slang what's called as jato. Here is jato. Yes, ma'am. The family itself does that. Now, my lords, kindly see piche gaye. Now, my lords, kindly see what happens as far as the PW 22 is concerned, what he says in the chief and what he says in the cross. 15 अगस्त को शाम को हमारे घर के आगे सत्संग हुआ. वहां कर्मवीर, उसके पत्नी व बेटी आए थे. सत्संग करीब 2-2.5 घंटे चला. सत्संग के बाद जब लोग जाने लगे, बापू ने कर्मवीर को आओ जाटो कर बुलाया. फिर बापू आश्रम में चले गए थे. कर्मवीर और उसकी परिवार को मैंने हमारे घर के आगे बापूजी के पीछे जाते देखा था, उसके आगे नहीं देखा. दिस इज द चीफ मेलॉड. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन द क्रॉस. 15 अगस्त को रात को सत्संग खत्म होने के बाद जब बापूजी जा रहे थे तो उनके पीछे 40-50 लोग भी जा रहे थे. बापू हमारे यहाँ एक सुरेंद्र है, उसको भी जाट कहकर बुलाता है. जाटो आ जाओ. बापू ने केवल कर्मवीर को नहीं कहा और जाटों के लिए भी कहा, सिंधियों को भी सिंधियों आ जाओ कहा था. Now what is correct, ma'am? Prosecutorial statement or this? Now, my lords, I just want to give a prelude before I read PW6 in all fairness and PW22. Now, my lords, PW6 is the father of the owner of the farmhouse, or the owner of the farmhouse, and PW22 is his son. Now, my lords, when cross-examination happened, your lordship said whether the evidence, my lord, is unimpeachable in the cross. In the cross, my lord, both these witnesses, my lord, to a certain extent do not support the prosecution story. To a certain extent, why I say, my lord, they say all this on this which there is no cross-examination. There is cross-examination by the prosecution on two aspects. In the cross, they say, my lord, that after all these people, 40-50 people followed appellant to the kutia, after 10 minutes, they all came back. And there was a sagai which happened there. Prosecutrix and her family were also part of that sagai. They sat there. And this went on for 2 hours odd. And I will read that, my lord. My lord may not smoke. I'll read that evidence for your lordship's consideration. They sat there for 2.5 hours. And, my lords, the prosecutrix and her family went back to his, my lord's house to stay. And they stayed there in the night. That's what. And on this aspect, my lord, the prosecution has cross-examined. Now, my lords, on the law, prosecution witness, if he is not supporting the case of the prosecution, he can be declared hostile under section 154. He can be, leave can be given by the court to cross-examine. Here, my lord, the very peculiar thing happens. The prosecution has not attempted to declare him as hostile. So his testimony, my lord, is not effaced. Even if, my lord, he is declared hostile, Supreme Court has said that it can be, my lord, used by both the prosecution and the defense. But in this case, we are on a much higher footing. He's not been declared hostile, but on certain aspects, he has been cross-examined. Now, my lords, since he has been cross-examined, my lords, I will not really dwell upon, my lord, and take the benefit that there was a sagai there, etc., etc. So I have to be fair to the court. He's been cross-examined on this. Of course, it leaves a big question mark on the veracity of the prosecution story. But, my lord, since he has been cross-examined, my lord, I can't, my lord, go beyond the point. But on the aspects on which he has not been cross-examined, he's not been declared hostile, I'm entitled to, my lords, rely on the prosecution. So with this brief prelude, my lord, I want to show what PW6 and PW, my lords, 22 say about that day, because the incident has not yet happened. There is a parallel story which has been set up, which I'll just place. That is at, my lords, page 527 of, my lord, the same convenience compilation. Trial court, my lord, says Sagai never happened. I am not going to that extent. I am not going to prove that Sagai happened. It's not my case. I don't have to go that far, although defense, my lord, led evidence on that, etc. I only want to show the prosecution witness itself has, my lord, sown some doubt as to the happening of the incident, and I leave it at that. Then the court will take a view, my lords, on how much weight it has to be given, or it's to be completely discarded. Even if it is to be discarded, my lord, the portion of the evidence about this 40-50 people followed him, etc., that will have to be looked at. And then, because ultimately, my lord, 15th, I am hanged only on the sole testimony. Whether it is so reliable in view of all this, my lordship will kindly see. Kindly have a look at, my lord, first 527. It starts at page 526. Can you help me? Huh? It's about 6 lines, 4 lines from the top, my lord. I'll start reading 527. यह लोग 2 दिन रुके थे. यूपी से जो लोग आए थे 14 अगस्त को आए थे. लॉर्डशिप गॉट दैट. और 16 अगस्त की सुबह वापस गए थे. जब यह लोग आए थे तो मैं भी सत्संग में भी था. यह लोग भी सत्संग में बैठे थे. जो ये यूपी से आए थे उनमें से जो आदमी था उसने बापू जी को कहा था कि भूत प्रेत मेरा गला दबा रहे हैं. बापू ने जो कही, दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड देखी. देन गो टू 15 बॉटम ऑफ दैट पेज. यह सही है कि 11 से 13 अगस्त के बीच हमारे घर पे ऊपर वाले कमरे में उन लोग को रुकवाया था और बाहर से आए हुए जिसके पास साधन नहीं थे. आज खुद कहा कि हॉल और गैराज में भी रुकवाया था. यह सही है कि 14 अगस्त को बापू ने मेरे से यह कहा था कि जो लोग यूपी से आए हैं उनकी व्यवस्था नहीं, इसलिए रहने की व्यवस्था कर दे. और यह भी कहा था कि सुबह चले जाएंगे. यह सही है कि 15 अगस्त को सुबह ललित जो साधक है उसने यूपी से लोग आए थे, उनको यह कहा था कि अहमदाबाद पहुंचा देता हूं, परंतु उन लोगों यह दिया था. आई ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड. नाउ काइंडली सी फर्दर. दैट्स राइट. यह सही है कि 15 अगस्त को शाम को सत्संग होने के बाद वहाँ एक सगाई का कार्यक्रम हुआ था जिसमें लड़का पुनः सगाई थी. यह सही है कि सगाई का 11:30 शुरू तो 11:15 11:30 बजे तक चला. यह सही है कि सगाई this seriously cross examined on this not but kindly have a look at it. कार्यक्रम में यूपी से जो लोग आए थे वह लोग मौजूद और वहाँ रुकते हुए करीब सभी लोग मौजूद थे. सगाई कार्यक्रम में करीब 50-60 लोग शामिल थे. यह सही है कि उस दिन सगाई का कार्यक्रम में मेहराना साहब की झांकी निकली थी और मिठाई भी बांटी थी. यह सही है कि मैं ऑडिबल मिला ऐसे मैं ऑडिबल ऐसे कुछ मालूम क्या लिखा?
जैसे कि सगाई कार्यक्रम के बाद यह
हाँ, यह सही है कि सगाई का कार्यक्रम रात को 10:30 बजे शुरू हुआ, जो 11:15 से 11:30 बजे तक चला.
same time consecutive success was
Yes, sir. When we come to, let's make a note here, my lord. So the incident, she says, happens at 10 for 1.5 hours. And here this person says that they were there.
वैसे ही
यह सही है कि जो सगाई कार्यक्रम में यूपी
से जो लोग आए थे
यूपी से लोग आए थे, वह लोग मौजूद
थे
थे और वहाँ रुके हुए. यह सही है कि उस दिन सगाई का कार्यक्रम में मेहराना प्रताप की झांकी और दिस इज सम रिचुअल. यह सही है कि सगाई कार्यक्रम के बाद बापूजी अपनी कुटिया में चले गए, बाकी लोग जहाँ ठहरे थे वहाँ चले गए, और ये और मेयर और परिवार और यूपी से जो आया परिवार हमारे घर में चले गए थे. फाइनली ऑल्सो नोट दिस, यूपी से जो लोग आए थे वह जब ऊपर कमरे में चले गए तो हमने अलग अलग दरवाजों को बंद कर दिया था. एक तो सीढ़ी का दरवाजा था और एक मेन गेट का जिसका कुंडली लगा दिया था. यह सही है कि यूपी से जो परिवार आया था उसमें माता पिता और बेटी तीनों और कमरे में चले गए और फिर हमने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया था. जो 40-50 लोग सगाई के कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित ये उनके हॉल में, गैरेज में और कुटिया में सामने मजदूरों के कराया था. But just pausing here for a minute, your lordships have just seen the deposition that nobody else, forget about my lord whether sagai happened or not. She herself says 40-50 people were there, and those 40-50 people have stayed there, and prosecution has not cross-examined on this. 40 people have stayed there, my lord. I'm not about, my lord, going there. Sagai ka, yes. 40 people staying there in the night is not disputed. What is disputed by the prosecution is either 40-50 people followed him, or that, my lord, they did not go alone. That is all, my lord, what is disputed. But the 40-50 people, she says, my lord, that they were there. Prosecution, a witness herself says, and this is corroborated by him, that 40-50 people are staying there. And why is she lying that nobody was there in the night?
दरवाजे बंद कर दिए थे.
बंद कर दिया था. तो सीढ़ी का दरवाजा और एक मेन गेट जिनका कुंडली लगा. यह सही है कि यूपी से जो परिवार आया था उसमें माता पिता और बेटी तीनों को कमरे में चले गए और फिर हमने दरवाजा तथा ऑलरेडी उपस्थित ने जिन 5 दिनों में बापूजी वहां आए थे तो मेरी बेटी गीता और जसोदा और उनका परिवार आया हुआ था और वे हमारे घर पर ही ठहरे हुए थे. यह सही है कि काफी लोग हो गए थे, इसलिए कुछ लोग ऊपर जो कमरा है उसके सामने छत पर भी सो रहे थे. 16 अगस्त की सुबह परिवार आया था. उन्होंने नाश्ता किया और लड़की और उसकी मां नाश्ता सहयोग करा. हाँ, श्रीमान. And then, my lords, he's been cross-examined on this at page 529. 529 starts. Request is made, my lord. 529 is the 154 application, and 531. Yes, my lord. Kindly see the cross, my lord. यह कहना गलत है कि दिनांक 15 अगस्त को रात को 10 से 10:30 11 के बीच फार्म हाउस पर कोई सगाई के कार्यक्रम नहीं हुआ था. यह कहना गलत है कि वहां पर ऐसे कार्यक्रम कोई फोटोग्राफी की नहीं हो और मैं वहां पर उपस्थित नहीं था. यह सही है कि मैं पूना को लड़की सो एंड सो की नहीं जानता. यह कहना गलत है कि ये दोनों लड़की 15 अगस्त को वहां पर मौजूद नहीं है और उसका कोई सगाई कार्यक्रम नहीं हुआ. मैं मेहराना साहब की मतलब नहीं जानता. But Maina Sahib is some ritual among the Sindhis when there is an engagement. कि लेकिन सिंधी समाज की झांकी निकली थी, यह कहना गलत है कि ऐसा कोई झांकी नहीं निकली और मेरे को ध्यान नहीं कि मेहराना साहब की झांकी की फोटोग्राफी हुई थी या नहीं हुई। यह कहना गलत है कि मैं और मेरे पुत्र रामपुत्र बापू जी के भक्त होने के कारण सगाई का कार्यक्रम के बारे में झूठ बयान दे रहे हैं और ऐसा कोई सगाई का कार्यक्रम नहीं हुआ। यह कहना गलत है कि उस दिन रात को 10 बजे लगभग बापूजी ने सो को कहा, उसके माता पिता को चिटिया से दिया। This is all the cross examination. So your lordships will see no cross examination. On 40-50 people were staying there in that very place. And even if he's cross examined, my lord, it doesn't efface from the evidence book. Sorry, from the record book. And I'll cite 2 judgments at the relevant time that this is binding on the prosecution. My lord, we were just researching the law, my lord, maybe somewhat relevant. But recently in 2025, the latest judgment of the Supreme Court has, my lord, clarified how the court will treat, my lord, this kind of an evidence. This, my lord, concept of a they were staying in that farmhouse, my lord. Yes, they were staying in the farmhouse. But that's why I just said, केवल हम लोग ही वहां रुके थे. She says that in her evidence, which is demolished by the other, my lord, this evidence. That's all I'm saying. On this point alone, yes, it's a farmhouse. Kutia. But my lord, the question is that I am trying to show that this incident never happened. Is not the second 40% equal for it. If the 50% no, what I'm only pointing out is this. Forget the Sagai event, my lord, in which he has been cross-examined. Lord, let's forget for a minute, my lord, that Sagai event on which he has been cross-examined. Although I am entitled to rely upon it as per the latest, let's forget it for a moment. But the value of that evidence is very, very low, my lord, because it can't be elevated to, my lord, sublime evidence. So it's been cross-examined on that. Both of us can rely. But what I'm saying is, let us talk about those portions which has not been controverted. What is that? In this PW 6. That there were 40-50 people staying there. And that, my lord, these 40-50 people staying there is contradicted by the prosecutrix, and that we were alone there. Why will the prosecutrix lie if she is telling the truth? Because she wants to portray an image that nobody else was there. We were the sole guys who were there, and we were only called to the kutia. 40-50 people just went, they just disappeared. They were taken out. They were all there. And, my lord, this is an informal gathering. My lord, there is a person who is the speaker. He is there at the satsang. Now, my lords, 40-50 people as per her own evidence were there. Right, my lord? Now, as per them, he says, shouted, "Ao Jato, come, let's go to the kutia, let's test that." These 40-50 people put their hands inside their ears. They can't hear this. Or was this said in secrecy in that somebody's ears? "Ao Jato, come, let's go to the room." Did he say that? He shouted, "Ao Jato, come." And none of these 40, 50 people who were there, Milord, are examined. Again, corroboration. That's the point which I'm making. Why were these 40, 50 people? Who are these 40, 50? And in fact, later on, we'll come to the names also. None of these, these are extremely crucial in this kind of a matter. Why was their statement not taken? They may not have seen the incident, but they would have definitely seen last scene. Lordships are very well aware of the last scene doctrine. These are the crucial persons. And two of these crucial persons have not supported the case of a person. If those others were called, probably they have not supported. That is why, my lord, the prosecution dangles the story on the legs of, my lord, these three witnesses alone, which I've said is completely shaky. None of these 40, 50 are called. Lord, I was saying on the law and the weight to be accorded to this. Lord, earlier there was confusion amongst the high courts also that, my lord, suppose a witness is not declared as hostile under 154, but permission is given under 154 to cross-examine. Because that 154(2), my lords, came, I'll just show that one. I'll just cite the provision. So that will be relevant, my lord, when you're appreciating this evidence. Kindly have a look at 154(2) of the evidence. Otherwise, my lord, the prosecution evidence is binding on them. Now kindly see, my lord, 154. Now may I hand over? Yes, sir. The court may, in its discretion, permit the person who calls a... Sorry. The court may, in its discretion, permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him which might be put in cross-examination by the adverse party. Now kindly see the amendment, which comes in 2006. Nothing in this section shall disentitle the person so permitted under subsection 1 to rely on any part of the evidence of such witness. So, my lord, if the prosecution calls that witness in cross-examination, then also, my lord, the prosecution is entitled to rely on that part of the evidence. Defense is anyway not precluded. But prior to this, my lord, there was, because before 2006, before the explicit amendment came, there was confusion amongst High Court, my lord, as to what is the effect of, my lord, this kind of a cross-examination, whether prosecution is entitled to take benefit out of it or not. And this concept of a hostile witness, my lord, if the entire Evidence Act, it is not there. It is borrowed from, my lord's English law. And Justice Dhulia explained that judgment. He says, my lord, this concept of a hostile witness, we have deliberately not chosen. We have only, my lord, said that a witness can be cross-examined with the leave of the court. And if that happens, he says, my lord, there is no requirement of declaration of hostility. Not required. But when that happens, both the prosecution and the defense is entitled to rely on the evidence, and the court will weigh, my lords, what is to be given more weight and what is not to be given more weight. And according to me, my lords, the unimpeached portions of that evidence will have to be said to be binding. Correct, my lord. Correct. Ultimately, it's a statement on record. Correct. Yes, my lord. Correct. So the weight to be accorded, my lord, both the defense and that I will place the judgment at this point. So, yes, now, my lords, kindly turn to the next witness, PW 22. Don't. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I'll start reading this, my lord, this week. Your lordships be inclined to hear this tomorrow also. Yes, my lord, that's why, my lord. Well, that's why there's some difficulty, my lord, tomorrow. That's why. Yes, ma'am. You want to read from here? My lord, sir, about 6 lines from the bottom. August 2013 को बापूजी इस आश्रम में आए थे. No, this is the next witness, my lord, who is the son of PW6, which is at page 532. No, these are these two witnesses who talk about this alleged Sagai event on which they have been cross-examined. Other portions are unimpeached, is what I want to say. 11 अगस्त 2013 को बापू की इस आश्रम में आए थे. बापू जी के Lordship got it, sir. 532, my lord, of the convenience. Lord, the last 6 lines, my lord.
7, 8, 9.
अगस्त
11 अगस्त 2013.
11 अगस्त 2013 को बापू जी इस आश्रम में आए थे. बापू जी के साथ में भूषण ड्राइवर,
Press on this motion page.
बापू जी के साथ में भूषण ड्राइवर, एक क्या
Security.
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड में रणवीर था, एक रसोई और मैं था. जस्ट मेक अ नोट हियर. Also very important. Security guard will also always be there. Was he asked to depose? No, what is the other fellow? Bhushan driver. They were all there, my lords, in the same, they were all staying there. Why were they not even called? That's why I said, at every stage where the prosecution has a chance to nail it, they leave it open so that they can hang me.
Yeah.
रसोई प्रकाश था. बापू वहां तारीख 16 अगस्त की सुबह
11
तक,
से 16.
11 तारीख 16 अगस्त के सुबह तक रुके थे. यूपी से भी साधक आए थे. यूपी से जो साधक आए थे मेरे परिचित थे. कर्मवीर उनका पत्नी और उनकी बेटी का नाम सोएंसो था. यह लोग 14 अगस्त को सॉरी मतलब No, I'm saying this supports me. Lords, the case of the defense is not that they reached there. Case of the defense is the incident didn't happen in the manner they are saying that it happened on the 15th. That's what they are saying. Lord, these two. No. They went to the farmhouse. Question is whether the incident happened. My lord, endeavor to your lordships is to show. No, that is not in dispute, my lord. That is not in dispute. All the witnesses have said it. What is in dispute is whether the incident happened on the 15th. No, I never said they never came. They never came inside the kutia.
I didn't call them. They came.
No, the two things I just said, they never come to the kutia. That's my categorical defense. Inside the kutia. I said they have never come to the kutia. Your lordships have an elephantine memory, my lord. But what I said, my lord, is that they never came to the kutia. That's my case. Now, farmhouse, my lord, I've said that they have come there and I've said that I gave them the solution, etc. Finally, see, my lord. Lord, next, 5:30.
कुछ भी खाते हैं तो यहाँ से नीचे नहीं आते, ऊपर से
पूरे को मुझे कुछ वही समस्या बताएगा फिर.
Dad, why should we read?
हाँ तो
तो नीचे है ना this satsang. My lords, on 5:33, the top portion I have already read, my lord. Now, my lords, about 10 lines from the bottom. 15 अगस्त को रात को सत्संग खत्म होने के बाद, लॉर्डशिप गॉट दैट, सत्संग खत्म होने के बाद बापू जी जा रहे थे तो उनके पीछे 40-50 लोग भी जा रहे थे. Lord, my learned friends want me to read just 4 lines before this. Lord. दिनांक 14 अगस्त को कर्मवीर जी के साथ पूना का एक परिवार भी आया था. पूना वाले परिवार को मैंने हमारे मकान के बैठक वाले कमरे में रुकवाया था. इन दोनों परिवार को मैंने मेरे परिवार परिचित होने के कारण हमारे घर पर रुकवाया था. 15 अगस्त को रात को सत्संग खत्म होने के बाद जब बापू जी जा रहे थे तो उनके पीछे 40-50 लोग भी जा रहे थे. Just mark here. He says only we were called. It's an open thing, my lord. He's not told them in the ear. He says, "Aao jato." That's what they say. And one of the witnesses says there are several other jats also, Sindhis also. 40 people, 50 people followed him. Now kindly see this, my lord.
पापा हमारे
तो रात को सत्संग खत्म होता 50 भी लोग भी बापू हमारे यहाँ एक सुरेंद्र है, उसको भी जाट कहकर बुलाता है। जाटो आ जाओ। बापू ने केवल करमवीर को लिए नहीं कहा, और जाटों के लिए भी कहा। सिंधियों को भी सिंधियों आ जाओ कहा था। 15 अगस्त को रात को सत्संग के बाद करीब 10:30 बजे, नॉट pausing here for a minute, but lordships will also keep in the back of the mind, not the standard which lordships will adopt in reviewing, judicially assessing this. Justice Datta, that judgment which I said, my lord, when these are the contradictions which are apparent from the prosecution story, is it safe to nail me? That's the point which I am making. और जाटों को भी कहा था, because they say only we were called as. Now he said there were other people. सिंधियों 15 अगस्त की रात को सत्संग के बाद करीब 10 साढ़े 10 बजे क्या सुमेरपुर के सोनिया और पूना के हरीश की सगाई का कार्यक्रम हुआ था। उस समारोह के बापू जी भी मौजूद थे। But he was present in the engagement. He's been cross-examined, but there is some value, maybe low value, but there is some value. यह सगाई कार्यक्रम करीब 11:15 बजे तक रात तक चला था। सगाई कार्यक्रम के बाद करमवीर का परिवार, पूना का परिवार हमारे घर पर आकर सो गए थे। सत्संग खत्म होने के बाद जब बापूजी वहां से गए थे तो लोग बाग भी उनके पीछे गए, और उसके पीछे 10 मिनट, काइंडली नोट दिस, 10 मिनट बाद बापू टहल कर वापस आ गए। बाकी लोग भी जो उसके साथ पीछे गए थे, जो वहां भी आ गए, सगाई कार्यक्रम के लिए बैठ गए। परमवीर जो उनकी पत्नी और बेटी। Just pausing here for a minute. I can understand, my lord, that this person is doubtful, and his examination is, my lord, on to the date
27 January
27. Make a note, my lord, both of these witnesses which I showed, PW6 and PW22. PW6, my lord, the examination is on 23rd of June 2014, and this gentleman is, my lord, examined on January 2015. At this time, my lords, the further investigation is still pending. 173(8) is pending. So, suppose, my lord, in a normal case, your witness comes out with some more information. Oh, there were 40, 50 people, there was a sagai event which happened. Now, this either destroys the case of the prosecution completely, or, my lord, he's saying falsehood. How will you, my lords, address this? I can understand the situation. Evidence is, the investigation has closed. But this is a case where the investigation was still pending. The easiest way for the IO, not the charge sheet supplement, kindly make a note here. The supplementary charge sheet came to be filed in July 2015. When this is done in January 2014, sorry, June 2014, and, my lords, January 2015, investigation is wide open. You don't choose to, my lords, corroborate. You don't choose to investigate. That's what I want to say. That is why at every stage, clause number 3 of, my lords, the Supreme Court, reliable, unreliable, corroborated. Sagai happened, did not happen. Forget about these two witnesses. You had a chance. And that is why, my lord, that suspicion arises, that cloud of suspicion arises on the prosecution case. That whenever you had the chance to, let's kill the case, to nail the accused, you left it open because you thought that if I bring out the truth, the accused will go ahead. Now, my lords, going further. 10 मिनट के बाद, टहलने के बाद वापस वहां आओ। बाकी लोग भी जो उनके साथ पीछे गए थे वहां आ गए थे, और सगाई का कार्यक्रम मिलेगा। कर्मवीर जो उनका पत्नी और बेटी तो सगाई कार्यक्रम में वहां बैठे थे। सगाई कार्यक्रम के
Doran.
Doran, Mehrana Sabha. My lord, I don't want to labor on this. This is that. You want to say? Okay, my friends, not. My learned friends are, my lords, they have devoted, my lord, considerable time to, that's why, my lords, I am only the mouthpiece, now they have done a lot of hard work. All the Sunday. So kindly see, my lord, Mehrana साहेब की झांकी क्या निकाली थी क्योंकि सगाई वाले दोनों परिवार सिंधी थे प्रदर्शदीप और फोटो में एक्स मार्क पर रणवीर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है और वही स्थान पर ड्राइवर भूषण है who are not, my lord, called 15 अगस्त को रात को सत्संग के दौरान हमारे अलावा सत्संग में kindly note this, so I said that 40-50 he gives the names, that whole thing, my lord, are the names that goes on, my lord, till 4-5 lines.
And they should name specifically.
He's given specific names. Now, my lords, kindly see further. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm saying, my lord, correct. Yes. Yes. Not negative. No, my lords. Your lordships will see a pattern. And that's my submission. Whenever there is a chance to corroborate, and my lords, I will show the judgments where the prosecution has a chance to corroborate, not corroborated, accused will get the benefit of doubt. I'll show those judgments. That's very clear. But the point here I'm making is, yes, correct. But if they are living, my lords, if my lord, in my respect, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. The prosecution's case, correct. I bow down, my lord. My lord, if the prosecution is, my lord, living in an ivory tower and not seeing, my lord, what the ground reality of the material which has come on record, full of contradictions, full of improvements, and, my lords, wherever prosecution had a chance to nail the accused, they have been, my lord, sidetracked. What is the value of that evidence? That's correct, my lord, correct. My lord, full proof can't be, my lord, some correct. Yes, my lord. But full proof can't be, my lord, just a magic incantation is full proof. Your lordships will have to, my lord, both the God and the devil lie in the detail. And your lordship, I'm taking your lordship through the detail, and your lordship, the detail, the full proof, there's no proof in my respect. So this, my lord, then further, ये सत्संग काफी महिलाएं भी थी. I'm sorry, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord, I bow down. Yes, my lord. Lord, subject next week, subject lordships, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, sir. Tuesday, 7th, 8th, what subject? 7th, 8th, 9th, sorry, this one. Sorry. I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. 17th, 18th, 19th. Yes. Grateful for a patient here. Or 2 o'clock, my lord. Yes. Grateful.